Today, we are going to build a complete retail store dashboard using Elldy, a powerful no-code business intelligence platform. No installations, no complex setups, no DAX or code required. Let's get started. First, head over to Elldy and create your account. Just fill in your basic details. Your full name, email, mobile number, and a password. Once that's done, log in and you'll land on the basket intelligence view. This is your home base. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice the agentic AI panel. This is where the magic begins. Simply drag and drop your retail dataset here or import it directly. Elldy's AI takes over from here, automatically cleaning and preparing your data for analysis. No manual pre-processing needed. Once the data is processed, you're brought into the analysis workspace. The workspace gives you access to over 30 chart types and a set of powerful drop-down operations: quick stats, groupings, correlation, comparative analysis, trend analysis, and AI insights. Everything you need to understand your data before building a single dashboard widget. And this is where things get really interesting. Let's start with a histogram. Select total sales on the x-axis, choose quick stats as your operation, then pick unique count. The histogram renders immediately, and look at this distribution. The data is right skewed, meaning most sales values are clustered on the lower end, with a few extreme values pulling the tail to the right. Now do the same for the profit column. Again, right skewed. Both sales and profits follow a similar pattern. A small number of transactions are driving the high value outcomes. That's a key insight right there. Now let's explore the relationship between sales and profit. Select the heat map, set X to total sales and Y to profit, then choose correlation and select Pearson. The result, 0.93. That's an extremely strong positive correlation. Sales and profit move almost in lockstep. Want more visual clarity? Switch to a scatter plot. Set X to total sales to profit. Then use grouping with group by sum. You can see the trend moving together, a clear positive relationship. We now have a solid understanding of how our data behaves. Now that we've built awareness through stats, it's time to build our dashboard. Select a bar chart. Set X to category and Y to total sales. Apply grouping with group by sum. The chart renders, and now we can clearly see how each product category is performing on sales. Instant clarity. Next, let's look at profit by region. Same bar chart, X set to region, Y to profit, group by sum. We can now see exactly how profits are distributed across different regions. Now a column chart. X is city, Y is quantity. This tells us which cities are moving the most units. Which city is your top performer? The chart answers that in seconds. Time to add our KPI cards. Select the KPI card widget. Set X to total sales, quick stats operation, and choose sum. There's your total sales figure. Add it to the dashboard. Repeat for profit. Same settings. Add to dashboard. For quantity, select mean to get your average quantity per order. Add to dashboard. And for order ID, select count to get total orders. Add all 4 KPIs to the dashboard. Your executive summary is taking shape. Now let's find our top performers. Select a bar chart. X is product, Y is total sales. Sort values in descending order and limit to 10 results. Apply. You now have a clean top 10 products by sales chart. Adding this to the dashboard. Next, how is discount being distributed across products? Select the radar chart. X is product, Y is discount percentage. Apply grouping with group by mean. You can now see which products are receiving the highest average discounts. Dumbbells lead the pack. That's a discount strategy insight worth noting. Adding to the dashboard. Now let's track performance over time. Select a line chart. X is order date, includes both total sales and total profit. Apply group by sum. You can now visualize how both metrics trend across your entire date range. Peaks, dips, seasonal patterns, all visible at a glance. Adding this to the dashboard. Here's something powerful. We don't have a profit margin column in our dataset, but we don't need one ready-made. Using Elldy's modding feature, we create it on the fly. The formula is simple. Profit divided by total sales multiplied by 100. Profit margin column created instantly. Now select a bar chart. X is product, is profit margin grouped by mean. You can now see which products deliver the highest margins. Critical insight for pricing strategy. Adding to the dashboard. Let's also add a category level sales view. Bar chart, category on X, total sales on Y, group by sum. Clean and clear. Adding to the dashboard. Next, let's add a customer gender breakdown. Select a pie chart with gender as the dimension. Visual, simple, informative. Adding to the dashboard. And one more pie chart. City contribution to profit. This shows which cities are driving the most profit for the business. Adding this in as well. Before we wrap up, don't overlook the Flexi Filter feature. You can filter the entire dashboard by specific product, city, or date range and instantly see how the data shifts. Perfect for drilling down into specific business questions without rebuilding anything. Once your dashboard is saved, head over to the dashboard section. Use the search bar to find your dashboard by name. Click to open it. All your charts are right there, exactly as you built them. Now here's where Elldy goes a step further. Click on any chart in your dashboard, and Elldy's AI instantly generates a written insight for that chart. Every visual is explained in plain language. No guessing, no manual interpretation. The AI tells you what the data is saying, right there on screen. And on the left side, you'll notice the global filters panel. Use these interactive filters to slice your entire dashboard at once. By product, region, date, city, or any dimension you need. Every chart updates simultaneously. It's a fully interactive, living dashboard. And that's the complete Elldy experience. From raw dataset to AI-powered interactive dashboard without writing a single line of code. Elldy isn't just a visualization tool. It's a full business intelligence companion, one that cleans your data, helps you explore patterns and trends, builds your dashboard, and then explains every insight through AI, all in one place. Whether you're a data analyst, a business owner, or someone just getting started with BI. Elldy makes it accessible, fast, and genuinely powerful. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.